Well, to educate the generality of Zimbabweans, succession is dealt with at Congress. We are not going to Congress. We have Congress in 2027. We are going to a conference. And the issue of succession is not an issue within ZANU-PF. If you look, most of the purveyors of this succession issue are known not to be members of ZANU-PF. They are known not to be within the structures of ZANU-PF. So as ZANU-PF, we will not allow a conversation to be imported into the party. We are going to conference to continue with checking up on the mandate which we received from the people in 2023. We all know that the issue is the economy. The people of Zimbabwe voted for President Mnangagwa so that he could continue taking Zimbabwe on a positive economic trajectory. And this is what we will be focused on. Resolution number 1 actually speaks to the fact that succession is not yet a conversation, because resolution number 1 speaks to the perpetuation of the current. So you cannot perpetuate the current and talk of succession at the same time. So if anything, resolution number 1 states that there is no succession conversation within ZANU-PF, because resolution number 1 speaks to the perpetuation of the current. The relationship between the president and his 2 vice presidents is a relationship of brotherhood. These are people who have been in the trenches for the independence of Zimbabwe. You know, they've faced death and they've sacrificed along others for this country to be free. So all this talk of animosity, all this talk of hatred and fighting, these are just narrow agendas by other parties trying to bring, hoping, actually not trying to, but hoping to bring alarm and despondency within our rank and file. But our party members know how communication cascades. So this is excitable news to non-members of the party, but to the members of the party coming to conference, especially our delegates, these are non-events and these are non-issues, because everyone in the party knows how we communicate, and there is no such thing. So as a party, we are solid behind President Mnangagwa.